They gonna think you had to cut all your hair off because your edges were thinning because of them wigs. It's a wig, Jamaica. Well, hello y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl RaShon. So today's video is brought to you by me. I purchased this unit with my own coin. It is also another WIGMAS collaboration, but it is sort of a double collaboration because I'm collabing with one of my favorite Wig BAES besties, my best friend on YouTube. You may know her as IsThatYourHairrr, but I know her as Gwladys, and she is doing IsThatYourHairrr holiday. So we decided, you know what, why not make this our little collaboration here where we feature our WIGMAS and our IsThatYourHairrr holiday wigs. Now we are both giving you looks under $30. And let me just go ahead and tell you right now, she slayed. Okay, do you see Gwladys in all her glory showing out? This is under $30? How? How, Caroline? How was that under $30? And she's sitting like that. She look good, don't she? She look good, don't she? Go best friend, that's my best friend. So I will put her video down below in the description box, so make sure you check out her video after you check out mine. If you are here from her channel, first of all, welcome, okay? God dang it, welcome. I'm glad you're here, okay? Before we get into the specs of my unit, let's go ahead and get into this wine because you know it is Sip and Slay. Y'all, and I got a new one for you. Stella Rosa then came through with the red apple. And I did not open her yet. I had her chilling in the fridge for a day and a half. So I'm gonna go ahead and get her together. Ooh, she smells like a red apple. I'm kind of finicky about this one because you guys know I like the green apple. Green apple, like the Granny Smith apple, that's one of my favorites, but the red apple, I'm not quite sure. I don't really reach for red apples that often. Okay, so let's see. Let's switch her around a little bit. Definitely smells like red apple. Ooh, that's good. Ooh. Just let me slow down. I ain't eat nothing today, but hold on. Ooh, got me all warm. It doesn't have the bitter taste like green apple has. This one is just smooth, like sweet. That's good. That's good. Anyways, make sure if you're new to the channel, you go ahead and subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. Also, give this video a thumbs up if you want to see more videos like this in the future. Let's go ahead and get into the style of my wig, and then we'll come back, unwrap her together, and see what she's looking like. Okay, let's go. Okay, so styling complete. I think I did good. I think I did good, y'all. So this is an oldie but goodie unit. Like, I'm pretty sure this unit is from like 2 or 3 years ago, if I'm not mistaken, okay? It is by Vella Vella, and it is the unit Alexis. This is what her card looks like. I got her in the color 1B, and she does retail for a whopping $14.94. $14.94. I got her for $13 for that Black Friday sale. So beep beep, thank you. This is a full cap unit, so there's no parting space on this unit whatsoever. It does come with one comb in the front, one comb in the back, and the adjustable straps. I would say this unit does fit down, big head friendly, depending on how your hair is under this cap. I had to make sure my hair was going to be flat under this cap because it is a short unit, and you don't want any type of bulge and things like that on the back of your cap. You want it to look as natural as possible. Initially, I put the unit on without my wig grip because I felt like it was too small, but it kept slipping back, and I didn't want to use the comb, so you know, I'm trying to keep the front of my hairline, okay? So I decided to put on my wig grip, and I will say that it does fit tighter now that I have my wig grip on. However, she's not moving, okay? The hair texture is a premium fiber, so she's heat safe up to about 375. I didn't put no heat on this unit. As you saw on the put down, I did go in and get to slicing and dicing just because I wanted a certain look on my head, on my face, personal preference. You can definitely just style this unit out the pack and be good to go. Now, I did go searching on YouTube when I got this wig to see the different ways that people styled it. I know my girl Sherelle, aka Natural Joy, she slayed it when she had it. I saw my girl Shining Star, she slayed that unit like recently, like this year. Who else? Also 805, she slayed this unit. Who else had this unit? DaBoss Ella, like y'all, she bodied that joint, okay? She had it in 2 different colors, like a natural color and like a blonde one. That blonde one was hitting, and I went back and picked it up after I saw her review. It may be a little bit too much for me, but we'll find out at a later date. So a lot of our favorites have featured this unit and slayed it to the gods, okay? I do have some other short units that I was going to feature in this video, but I decided, you know what? Let me just go ahead and stick to one. Let's see what I did, okay? Then we're going to take her down together and see what she hitting for. Okay, let me see. Let me see. Oh, Jesus, please. Jesus be a fence. Oh. Oh, yes. Okay. Okay. Put my glasses on real quick because I don't want to be messing nothing up. I feel like I'm going to mess up my little sideburns here. Oh, okay. Okay. Flatten this out. Up here, like I said, I didn't use no heat on mine. Now, as you see in her card, and you'll see in some other people's videos, the bang is a lot fuller and it's longer, so I went in and chopped mine a little bit shorter. But you don't have to do that. You can definitely rock it, you know, how you want to rock it. But again, make these wigs your own if you choose to, okay? You don't have to leave the wig how it is out the pack. You can definitely rock it to make it look a little bit more natural for you. And I feel like cutting it shorter for my face makes it look a little bit more natural. The way this cap fits your head, like it conforms to your head and fits down like perfectly. What y'all think? I got makeup on my shirt. Oops. I put on my big hoops just to give me the look that I wanted. The big hoops kind of give it a different look. I like that. Y'all, I think she looks... Give me this wine. Ooh, yes. I think she looks good, y'all. I really like the way that I styled her. I can't see. There's a gap right here. There's a gap right here. And y'all, look how she's fitting on the back of my neck. Y'all see this? Look. None of my hair is out, and she's sitting flat, y'all. How's she looking? How's she looking? She looks and feels amazing. I'm very finicky about pixie cuts just because I feel like they can make you look older really quick, okay, if you don't style her just right. My girl Chanel just got her hair cut into a look like this, and I feel like she looks bomb. And I really want a cut like that. Like, it looks so good on her. But I feel like once I cut my natural hair, that's it. So I'm gonna fake it, okay? I'm gonna fake it with these wigs. Y'all, I feel like this is a look. I feel like this is giving me all types of shop vibes. This hair feels amazing. Like, it's very, very nice. No shedding, no tangling. It's a short unit. I don't expect it. She's giving me such a natural look. My mom used to have her hair cut like this. Mama, look, I did it. Ooh, this sweater got me hot. I think it's the wine. If you are someone who wants to try a short look, definitely go and get a short wig, okay? Get a pixie wig, style her up, do your thing. I promise you, you will not regret it. And why shouldn't you? Because it's a wig. You can take her off and go back to your natural roots, okay? I'm just saying. And for $14, buy a couple. And that natural color is serving. Y'all see that? The natural luster, like, it looks like I went to the shop and got a press. Show up for the holidays in this unit right here, okay? Just do it. Just do it. The cousins are definitely gonna test you. They're gonna think you had to cut all your hair off because your edges were thinning because of them wigs. Not knowing it's a wig, sis. It's a wig, Jamaica. Checkmate. I'm not mad at this wig, y'all. I'm not mad, okay? But that's all I got for you guys today. Shout out one more time to my best friend Gwladys for collabing with me. I really appreciate it. Don't forget to check out her video down below, as well as this unit. I will link it down below, so if you guys want to check it out, you can. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. Also, smash that notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. I love you guys so much, and I will see you next time. Bye.